Hi all, welcome to Palo Alto Firewall Course. In this chapter, we will discuss about common terms used in network security. Some of basic terms are asset, vulnerability, exploit, threat, attack, and countermeasure. First, we will discuss about asset. A business asset is an item of value owned by a company. They can be physical, tangible goods, such as vehicles, computers, machinery, office furniture, and other fixtures. Asset can be intangible items such as intellectual property, company data, and company trade secrets. Now we talk about vulnerability. A security vulnerability is a weakness, flaw, or error found within a security system that has the potential to be leveraged by a threat agent in order to compromise a secure network. Vulnerability can be defined a weakness in a system or its design. Every system is human-created. Chances for errors, mistakes are always there in every human-created system. Vulnerabilities are always there in applications, network protocols, and operating systems, etc. An attacker to gain access to an organization's network can exploit vulnerability. There are a number of security vulnerabilities, but some common types of vulnerabilities are out-of-date or unpatched software, missing or poor data encryption, system misconfigurations, and many more. An exploit is a program or piece of code designed to find and take advantage of a security flaw or vulnerability in an application or computer system, typically for malicious purposes such as installing malware. For example, an attacker could damage the confidentiality of a computer by installing malware on the computer, the integrity of a web page by injecting malicious code into the web browser, or availability by performing a distributed denial of service attack powered by a botnet of Trojans. An exploit is not malware itself, but rather it is a method used by cybercriminals to deliver malware. A computer system threat is anything that leads to loss or corruption of data or physical damage to the hardware or infrastructure. Some of the examples are malware, phishing, man-in-middle, SQL injection, ransomware, virus, keyed loggers, and etc. Attack can be defined as action taken by an attacker to harm an asset. Cybercrime has increased every year as people try to benefit from vulnerable business systems. Often, attackers are looking for ransom. 53% of cyber attacks resulted in damages of $500,000 or more. Some of the examples are DDoS attack, remote code execution attack, credential-based attacks, Smurf attack, botnets, and etc. Security countermeasures are the controls used to protect the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data and information systems. Overall security can be greatly enhanced by adding additional security measures, removing unneeded services, hardening systems, and limiting access. Firewall and antivirus are used to countermeasure the cyber attack.